Adventure. It's Sunday, a couple days after the 4th of July, July 6th. And came out here for the first time this year. And I wanted to take a quick picture of being out on the water. A little choppy today. We're in 43 feet of water and it's 73 degrees. The water temperature, so it warmed up kind of nice. I've been hesitant to go because of that. So behind me, that's Canada, and on this side is good old New York. But anyways, hope you're having a nice Sunday, and we'll check in later. We're going to learn how to get rid of beetle bugs.